Auto is back again. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in this video I am going to show you guys this car, which is the Skoda Rapid. Now this is the 2017 model. It's a petrol variant. It's been driven approximately 11,000 kilometers, and by the end of the video I'll tell you guys the price as well as where the car is located. Now this is a used car, and guys, please do not forget to check a used car before buying it. You need to thoroughly check the car. What all things are needed to be checked before buying a used car, you can definitely ask it to me and DM me on Instagram, and I'll definitely answer your question. So let's quickly start the video without wasting any more time. Hello everyone and welcome to Autos back again. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in this video I am going to show you guys this car, which is the Skoda Rapid, and this is the key of the car. As you can see here, you have 3 buttons provided. This is for your lock, this is to open your boot, and this is for your unlock. And this is how the car actually looks like from the front. On the bonnet, as you can see, they have actually tried to provide sharp elements, and in terms of looks, definitely it looks quite simple, subtle and sophisticated, I would say. They have actually tried to provide it a professional sort of a look. Now let's quickly talk about the front profile of the car. So here, as you can see, here you have a big grille provided, and right in the center you also have your Skoda logo. And talking about the headlamps, here obviously you have your projector headlamp setup with the daytime running LEDs. DRLs are provided right over here. Below here obviously you have your fog lamps as well. There is a provision for your hook attachment. And yeah, that's about the front profile of the car. This is how the car actually looks like from the side profile. And again, as you can see, they have actually tried to provide a few sharp edges and elements on the sides as well. Now let me quickly show you guys the tire profile of the car. So here, as you can see, obviously you have your alloy wheels provided right over here, and the tire profile is 185/60 R15. Those are 15 inches alloy wheels provided. And again, the design of the alloy wheels, as you can see, it is very much simple, I would say. So yeah, that's about the tire profile. Here obviously you have your body colored ORVMs with turn indicators, body colored door handles as well. And talking about the rear tire profile, is again kind of similar, which is 185/60 R15, 15 inches alloy wheels. MRF tires are used over here, and this is the rear profile of the car. And again, as you can see, they have actually tried to provide a sharp element at the back. Here you obviously have your Skoda logo, here you have your Skoda badge. And in terms of tail lamps, obviously you have your LED tail lamps provided right over here. In this variant, you obviously have your reverse parking sensors as well. Chrome strip is provided right over here. Now this is the boot space of the car, and as you can see, in terms of boot space, it is a pretty deep boot, I would say. In terms of size, it is 460 liters to be precise, and the opening is quite good, I would say. You can definitely load in quite a lot of luggage. In terms of space, definitely the boot is pretty decent in terms of size. You also have your toolkit over here. So yeah, that's about the boot space which you get in the Skoda Rapid, and this is how the car actually looks like from the rear profile. And this is again the side profile of the car. The silver color definitely looks quite a lot attractive. And here, if you notice, on the roof actually they have provided glossy black finish on the roof, which definitely adds sporty appeal. Here you have your defogger as well. So guys, I think I have spoken a lot about the exterior profiles of the car. Now this car is provided to me from Jassi Motors, Navi Mumbai. This car is available in the used car market at Jassi Motors. You can definitely, if you are interested, you can definitely contact them. All the details are given in the description box below. But before that, definitely I'll show you guys the features which you get inside the car, and as well as the space which you have. So let's quickly move inside. So guys, right now I'm inside the car, and as you can see, this is how the dashboard and the interiors of the Skoda Rapid 2017 variant actually looks like. Now as you can see here, they have actually used dual colors inside the cabin, black as well as beige colors. Here you have your AC vents. Now let me quickly start talking about the features which you get in this particular variant. Let's quickly start from the steering wheel. So here, as you can see, this is how the steering wheel of the car actually looks like. And here you obviously have your logo, and this is how the car horn sounds like. Here you obviously have your steering mounted audio controls. This is for your volume, this is for your call, and this is to change your FM channels. Now let's quickly have a look on the instrument cluster of the car. So here, as you can see, now on the left you have your tachometer, on the right you have your speedometer, in the center you obviously have your MID provided. This is to set and this is to see the details of the MID. Here, as you can see, it will show you your odometer reading. It will also show you your distance to empty time, your fuel gauge as well, trip A, trip B as well. So all those things can be seen over here in the instrument cluster. And this is how the dashboard of the car actually looks like. Here you obviously have your AC vents. This is for your defogger. This is for your hazard lamp. This is your touchscreen music system which you get in the car. Now you can check out the sound quality of the music system on our Instagram @autorevs. I have not put the video over here because of the copyright issues, so you can definitely check out the sound quality of the music system on our Instagram handle. And as you can see, in terms of touch response, the music system is actually quite good, I would say. So here, as you can see, the touch response is quite good from the music system. Here you obviously have your USB as well as aux connectivity. This is for your turning off the music system, and this is for your volume as well. Here you obviously have your automatic climate control AC provided. Here you again have some space to keep stuff as well as cup holders provided. Here you have your 12-volt charging point. This is your 5-speed gearbox, and as you can see, reverse is on this side here, as you can see now. And below the handbrake you again have some space to keep your stuff. Here you also get an armrest, driver side armrest, and below it you again have some space to keep stuff. Now let's quickly have a look on the glove box of the car. So as you can see, it is pretty big, I would say. In terms of size, definitely you can get in a lot of stuffs, and I think it's also a cool glove box over here, which is again a nice thing to have actually. And the dashboard and the interior of the car actually looks quite nice because of the dual colors used over here. Now here, as you can see, this is your sun visor. You only have your toll receipt holder over here. These are your lights provided, and here on the co-driver side you actually have your vanity mirror provided here. Now I think I have shown you guys most of the things inside the cabin. Let's quickly have a look on the door pads of the car. So here, as you can see, here you can obviously keep your 1-liter water bottle. Here again you have some space to keep your stuff, and this is to actually open the boot of the car. So this is how you open the boot of the car. These are obviously your power window switches. You can also lock your power window switches from here. You can also adjust your ORVMs from here, which is again a nice thing to have. This is for your lock and unlock of the vehicle. Here you again have your headlight leveler, as well as those are your controls for your headlights. So all those things are actually provided over here. You obviously have your lever for your light, and here you have your lever for your wiper. So guys, this is how the dashboard and the interiors of the Skoda Rapid actually looks like. Now let me quickly move behind and let me quickly show you the second row space which you have inside the cabin. So let's quickly move behind. So guys, right now I'm in the second row of the Skoda Rapid, and as you can see, this is the amount of space which you get in the second row of the car. Now in terms of legroom, you can stretch your feet below the driver as well as co-driver seat. The driver seat is actually somewhere in the middle, it is not all the way behind. And in terms of knee room as well, as you can see, there is decent amount of knee room which you get over here. Under thigh support is again okay, I would say. Here you have a big hump in the center head position. Here you again have your air vents provided, AC vents provided. In terms of shoulder room, you can easily get 2 adults and a kid in the middle. Here again you have your armrest provided, which is again a nice thing to have inside the car. And here again you have your handles to hold on to. There is also a hook provided. There is again a handle to hold on to. Here again you have a handle to hold on to with hook. Here again you have an hook. And talking about the door pads, here as you can see now, here you have your bottle holder provided. This is your power window switch. This is your chrome door handle. And guys, in terms of recline angle, again it is okay, I would say. In terms of headroom, again you have a decent amount of headroom provided over here. Here you again have your reading lights provided. So yeah, that's about it guys, about the space which you get in the second row of the Skoda Rapid. And guys, talking about the safety features in this car, you actually have your dual airbags, ABS, EBD as safety features. Now let's quickly move outside. So guys, now this car is available at Jassi Motors at a price point of 8 lakh rupees. If you are interested, definitely you can contact them for further more details regarding the car. Please do not forget to inspect the car thoroughly yourself before buying a used car. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys liked the video. Still, if you have any questions, you can definitely ask it to me on Instagram as well as in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer most of your doubts. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, drive safe, ride safe. Bye bye.